Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. So I'm gonna do a little meal prepping for the boys to have some lunch food, some snack food ready for them. So they really love these corn dogs. They're homemade. So I have this little corn dog maker. If you've been around my channel for a little bit, you've seen the pancake on a stick recipe that I've made. And I will link that video in the description if you want to see it. But so I made a pancake on a stick with this little corn dog maker. So I got this on Amazon. I will also link this in the description. It is so much fun to have. The boys love cooking with this, and it makes really awesome little corn dogs and pancake on a stick. So if you need one, definitely go check that link out. It's like 20 bucks on Amazon, can't go wrong, and we get tons of use out of this thing. So I'm gonna make a big batch of these corn dogs. I just have regular hot dogs and Jiffy cornbread mix. So this is really simple, makes a nice big batch, and I'll have snacks ready to go for the boys. I also have these little skewers. I'll link these as well. They're really great to just stick into the corn dog so that the boys think that they're having like an actual corn dog from a restaurant or from the fair or something, but they're actually homemade and pretty healthy. So I will link all of this in the description, and we will get some corn dogs made up for the boys for this week.
So this is really easy. It's just one box of Jiffy cornbread mix. So I'm just gonna make it how you would make a regular cornbread muffin or just regular cornbread. So I'm gonna pour the packet into the bowl, and it's gonna use 1 egg and 1/2 cup of milk. So I will mix it all together. All right, so I cut my hot dogs in half to make them fit better into the machine. So I'm gonna dip them into the cornbread mixture, and then I'm going to spoon a little bit more on top. So I will fill each little section. It's gonna make 6 little mini corn dogs, and I will fill each one, and it'll be ready to start cooking. I like how this machine is, it's non-stick, so I don't even need to put cooking spray, which makes it really messy. So these, it won't stick, and we don't have to put the cooking spray like I said, so they're really easy and less messy as well. All right, so all of the corn dogs are in the maker ready to go with the batter, and I'm going to put the lid on, and these are gonna cook for about 6 minutes or so. The light will tell me when it's done. So right now it has just the red light on, and it'll turn green when it's ready.
Okay, so the little green light has come on. So these little corn dogs are ready to go. I'm gonna take them out. All right, so it is like a perfect little corn dog. So sometimes I trim around the edges to make it nice and smooth, but I'm gonna get all these out, and they are ready for the boys. All right, so this batch of homemade corn dogs is all ready to go. These are really great. You can also freeze these and heat them up in an air fryer or just in the microwave. Either way, these are really great. The boys love these. So I've been trying to do lots more meal prepping for them to have things ready to go. So they'll have these for this week. So check the description. I'll put the corn dog maker in there. It's really great to have. Like I said, we get tons of use out of it. The boys love these homemade corn dogs and homemade pancake on a stick. I will also link the pancake on a stick video that we did, it was actually a couple months ago. So We've been using this little maker for quite a while now, and we really like it. So anyways, click subscribe so you don't miss my other toddler meal prep ideas, as well as my lunch and breakfast meal prep videos. And click the bell button so you get a notification each time I post a new one. And leave me a comment if you have any questions, and a like if you like this video. I will see you next time. I hope that you have a great week. Bye-bye.